Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install new watch faces on your Honor Watch 6 or any of the Honor smartwatches. So here we go. So to download and install new watch faces on your Honor Watch 6 or whatever Honor smartwatch you got, you will have to use the Honor Health application. So first of all, make sure that your Honor Watch 6 is connected with the Honor Health application on your smartphone. After that, launch the Honor Health application, then go to the Devices tab and then tap on your Honor Watch 6, and here you will find a section called My Watch Face. So you can see some of the watch faces are visible here. If you tap on more, then here it will show you all of the watch faces locally available on your Honor Watch 6. So now to download new watch faces, all you have to do is go to this recommended tab, just tap on this, and here you will find many different watch faces in different categories. So you can select any of these under the featured topics, or if you scroll down you will get watch faces under different categories like hot topics, and you can see it is going on and on, lots of watch faces. So just select any of these watch faces based on your preference and just tap on it. For example, if I'm going to this game time, it will show you this information page that how this watch face will look on your Honor Watch 6. Here you will find the information that what is the size of the watch face, whether it's free or paid. Now all you have to do is tap on download button. It will start downloading. Just wait for a bit. Now it's being installed, and here we go. So now the new watch face is downloaded and installed on my Honor Watch 6. You can do the same with any of the other watch faces available. For example, if I want to go with any other one, for example this 3D watermark, then once again you can see we are getting all of the information regarding this watch face. The animation is being shown here as well, so that's quite nice. And then the pricing, it's free. Just tap on download. It will start downloading and installing it, and once the installation is completed, I will get a brand new watch face on my Honor Watch 6. And here we go. So this is how you can download and install any of the new watch face on your Honor Watch 6 or any of the Honor smartwatch you got. And if you would like to delete any of them, if you do not want to use them any longer, so all you have to do is just go to the downloading page of that particular watch face, and here at the bottom right corner you will find this trash bin icon. Just tap on this and tap on delete button to confirm you want to delete this watch face from your Honor Watch 6, and it is deleted now, and I'm back to the previously selected watch face. You can do the same from the list of local watch faces as well. So this is one of the watch face that I have just downloaded. Go here and then tap on this download icon, confirm the deletion, and it will be deleted. And now I am back to another watch face that is locally available on my Honor Watch 6. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.